This is how you trade crypto step by step as a beginner. First, use the link in my bio to create an account on Bybit Exchange. You will receive $50 as a sign-up bonus when you use the link in my bio to create an account on Bybit. After signing up on Bybit, you will need funds in your account to be able to start trading. And there are two ways you can fund your Bybit account. The first way to fund your Bybit account is by buying USDT from the platform. So you click on the buy button, and if you are from Ghana, you enter the total amount that you want to buy. If it's 100 or 200 cedis, whatever the amount is, and then you follow the step and you'll be able to buy USDT from the platform. And the second way to fund your Bybit account is by depositing your USDT from another wallet or from another platform that you have your funds in. So you just deposit your USDT here and you can use it to start trading on the Bybit exchange. After buying your USDT or after depositing your USDT into your Bybit account, your funds will be in your funding wallet or funding account. So for you to use the funds to start trading, you will have to move the funds from your funding account into your unified trading account. To transfer the funds from your funding account into your unified account for trading, all you have to do is to click on the transfer button here. Click on the transfer button. If I want to trade with $100, all I would do is to enter the total amount of $100 and then click on transfer. And you can see that the money moved from my funding account into my unified account, which means that the money is ready for me to start trading with. There are three types of tradings you can do on Bybit. The first one is the spot trading. We have the futures trading, and then we have the options trading. We have the spot trading, we have the futures trading, and then we have the options trading. But in this video, I'm only going to focus on the spot trading, as you can see there. As a beginner, the reason why you have to stick with the spot trading is because the spot trading doesn't involve a lot of risk as compared to the futures market or to the options market, where you can lose everything at a short period of time. The question you need to ask yourself as a beginner is, what is spot trading? Spot trading is the act of buying an asset at a price and selling at a higher price. What I love about Bybit is that they made it very easy and simple for even someone with as low as $2 can be able to buy and sell crypto or can be able to trade crypto. Let me show you how you will be able to buy an asset and sell an asset for profit. The first thing to do is to click on the markets button here and scroll through the list of assets and select whichever one you want to buy or whichever one you want to trade. In this tutorial, I will be using XRP. So you select XRP. On this page, you will be able to track the price of XRP or how the price of XRP is performing. Since XRP is what I want to trade or what I want to buy, all I will do next is to click on the buy button here. Here is where all the magic happens. There are several ways you can use to buy or sell an asset. But in this video, we are only going to focus on limit order and market order. The first one is market order. Now, with the market order, it means that you want to buy an asset at the best market price. So when you enter the amount you want to buy, you are going to buy the asset at the market price here, as you see here. That's the reason why it is called market, right? And the second one, which is my favorite, is the limit order. Now, the limit order helps you to enter the price at which you want to buy the asset at. Let's say you want to buy 10 USDT or 10 US dollars worth of XRP, and boom, you purchase 10 US dollars worth of XRP at the market price. All you have to do is to enter the amount here, and then you enter the buy button and confirm the buy order. That is the market order. The next thing is we are going to use the limit order to buy XRP. Here is how you use the limit order to buy an asset on Bybit. At your right, you will see the current market price of XRP. And if you want to use the limit order to buy XRP, which means that you don't want to buy XRP at this current price, all you have to do is to manually enter the price at which you are willing to buy XRP at. I want to buy XRP when the market price of XRP dropped to $2.80. So you enter the amount at which you want to buy, or the total amount of XRP you want to buy. If I want to buy $10 worth of XRP at the market price of 2.80 cents, all you have to do is to enter that, and then you click on the buy button and your order will be created. If you look at the bottom here, you are going to see that I have an open order here, right? So the order will be open here until the market price of XRP drops to the price at which I want to buy XRP at. And currently the market price is above the price at which I want to buy at. So my order will be open until the market price of XRP drops to 2.80. By now, I'm sure you understood how to buy any crypto asset and how to use the limit order and the market order when buying a crypto asset. Now, how do you sell the crypto after buying? I am having some amount of XRP in my account. I'm having about 7 XRP. And if I want to sell that using the limit order, all I have to do is to enter the price at which I want to sell the XRP. And as you can see, the market price of XRP is around 2.9, but I want to sell the XRP at the price of 3, meaning that I want to create an open order where I will wait for the market price of XRP to go up to hit the price at which I want to sell, so that I will take profit at the price of $3, right? All I will do is to manually enter the price at which I want to sell, the total amount of XRP I want to sell, and here is the total amount I will be receiving at the end, right? The next thing to do is to click on what? The sell button. And you can see that I have an open order here, right? I can decide to modify it or edit it, or I can decide to cancel the order, or all I have to do here is to wait for the market price of XRP to come down to 2.8 for me to be able to buy XRP at this price. All I will do next is to just wait for the market price of XRP to go up, and then my order will. So if I buy at 2.8, I will later sell it for 3.1 or 3.2, depending on how long you are willing to wait for the market price of XRP to go up for you to take your profit. That's basically how it works. You buy the asset at a lower price, and then you take profit when the market goes up. There are other ways to make money on Bybit aside trading. One example is the Bybit Earn product that allows you to earn these percentages by just keeping your money on the Bybit platform. So if you have an amount of money that you are not using to trade, or that you don't need urgently, you can keep it in any of the Bybit Earn product, and you will be earning some percentage on top of whatever amount of money that you put into the product. Another way is you can take loans against your crypto assets. So if you have any crypto that you are not using actively, you can take loan against it and then use the fund to do something else. While your crypto is actually growing and appreciating, you are also using the loan that you took to actually make another profit on the side. This is just the part 1. I will be taking you through how to trade the futures market in my later video. If you have any question about how to trade the spot market, or if something is not clear to you, I want you to ask me in the comment section. And also make sure you like the video, share it, and then add it to your favorite so that you can come back to watch it anytime that you have any confusion. See you in the next one.